Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Claude account with a Google or SSO login using the alternative methods. This is the easiest way to open up a fresh workspace on your monitor screen so you can start typing your daily tasks without creating any brand new passwords. Step 1. Open the main account entrance page. The first step is to open up your regular internet browser program on your desktop so you can find the correct entry page. Move your hand to your mouse, slide the pointer up to the long white address bar at the very top of your browser window, click inside it, and type in the main web page address, claude.ai, using your keyboard keys. Press the Enter key on your board and watch for a clean web page background to load flat on your display screen. You will see a big box right in the middle that offers different button choices to start your profile setup. Because going straight to this address brings up the official sign-in panel, instead of filling out an empty email line and waiting for a magic mail link to drop into your mail program, you are setting up the screen to use your existing login keys. This makes everything move much faster. Step 2. Pick your profile login route. Next, you need to pick the exact button that matches the type of profile you already own, depending on whether this is for your personal use or for your company group network. Look closely at the middle box choices on your display screen. If you are using your personal email, look for the white bar that says Continue with Google. If you are setting this up for a large company business network, look further down and select the button labeled Continue with SSO. Click your left mouse button directly on the specific choice that fits your current task. Because it tells the computer memory exactly how to check who you are. By clicking the Google choice, you are letting the system talk directly to your existing mail account to verify your details. If you click the SSO choice, you are telling the tool to look at your central company network security log instead, which keeps everything safe under your corporate business rules. Now, a fresh little pop-up window or a new page row will load on your screen canvas, which is the secure connection bridge. If you chose the Google route, type your regular mail username and password into the official Google boxes that appear. If you chose the SSO route, type in your corporate company web domain identity key as requested by your company admin rules. Click the blue or colored confirmation button at the bottom of that box to pass through the security gate. Because your personal information is checked entirely by Google or your company provider, not by the chat app itself. They verify your identity first, and then they send a quick green light confirmation back to the chat platform to prove that you are the real owner of the account. This keeps your personal information locked away safely. And that's it. To create a Claude account with a Google or SSO login, you first go to the main website address on your internet browser. Next, you choose either the Google button or the SSO button, depending on whether you are using a personal profile or a company network link. Then you type your login details into the secure provider box that pops up to pass the security check. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.